Hey guys, welcome back into the Code with DC YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna help you about how you can use ChatGPT to make softwares, and this is the agenda of today. And yeah, this will be using ChatGPT. So welcome back to Code with DC guys, and sorry for not uploading videos for the long term, like almost 5 months, as I'm working on big project nowadays. That's why I was not able to make any kind of videos. So yeah, from nowadays there will be we will be starting a new journey, and in this journey the aim of the journey is to make huge income. Okay, in terms of developing softwares or making clients, or how coding world will be modified using AI. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna like a basic thing, how you can start the software using, you can start developing software using ChatGPT, and there are certain steps. This video not will be not very complex, as I want to make it very simple, so I'm not going to follow any kind of steps. I'm going to tell you in a manner like a layman language, that any people, like it's a normal conversation with ChatGPT, and you will be able to make softwares in a smoothly manner. So yeah, likewise this video will be there. So for making uh, software end to end, we will be making a playlist in which you will be going to learn all the things step by step manner. So consider today's video is a high level of all the things, like how you will be developing and how you will be ending with the product. You will be having one product which will be ready to launch in the market. So that we will be going to do today. And one last thing that I want to tell you is, always subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to upload this amazing type of videos related to ChatGPT and another AI tools. Okay, like Grok. These are also good tools in the market, which can help you boost your performance, as ChatGPT in free version not gives latest data related uh, information. So you can definitely go with Grok or another AI tools, or else if you are like, if you are most of the time using ChatGPT in your business and you are getting profits from that, you can definitely subscribe to their premium plans. Okay, for premium plans, how you can choose, why, what are the things before choosing, you can consider. We can discuss that later in this YouTube channel. Okay, so that we are going to do. So yeah, let's begin. So consider this is my agenda of today: how to create a software using ChatGPT. Hope you got it. So let's get started. First of all, make it comfortable to your screen. Once you can press Ctrl plus, so that you guys can zoom. I don't know how many people are watching from mobile and how many people are watching from desktop. So you guys can definitely comment in the comment section. Okay, so always, like, let me make it more. Okay, something different happening. Always 150% is better enough. So I'm making it 1. So yeah, whenever you're going to ChatGPT, you should start a normal conversations, like, hello child. If it is a morning, greet it with the hello ChatGPT, good morning. Okay, yeah. Now, uh, as he is also saying you good morning, hope you are having a great start to your day. How can I help you today? So Yeah, he is pretty much sure that you come to him for a help. Okay, he is pretty much sure. And normally, whenever people go to ChatGPT, this is the aim of the people, that he wants some help with ChatGPT. That's why he's going to ChatGPT, or he wants to explore some information, which in turns type of help only. Okay, so now our aim is to build a software, okay, using ChatGPT. So we need to tell him that who we are, okay, what are the things that we know in the current scenario, because like I am a coder, I know lot of things about software, okay, I know how what are the software life cycles, how software is delivered, how software is available to people, okay, what are the platforms, is it mobile app, if it is a mobile app then how I will be going to publish on Play Store, okay, there are certain steps, there are certain things that everyone should be aware with, okay, like i'm I have a tech background in the software field, okay, so I can ask him that I am a software developer, I know these things, but now to make the process fast, to make the product fast, I want you to, I want your help to make the software. Okay, right. So he will guide us in terms of what I am. Like I am a software engineer, I am a software developer, or I am a layman. Okay, if I tell him that I am a layman, I don't know about tech, I'm a non-tech guy, and I know I I only use like things. I only use text like present in mobile. I used to operate on websites. I used to Google, normally search on Google and learn things faster. Likewise, you can tell. So currently, I am like I am considering from the very base level of layman language, like some random people, some normal people wanted to develop a new app, okay, without knowing how app is developed. So here he need to tell the hey ChatGPT, I am a normal person and I wanted to develop a software. Hey ChatGPT, okay, I wanted to develop a software with the with the help of you, and I want you to guide me every single thing and explain if needed, or I will tell you to explain. Now ChatGPT has acknowledged that you are a normal person and you want to develop a software with the help of ChatGPT, and you also tell them, and you also tell ChatGPT, you also told ChatGPT that you want the guide from him, okay, on every single thing. So ChatGPT will be careful on providing you every single steps. Okay, let's see what happens. And before entering, I want also I wanted to also tell about which software I would like to develop. Like let's consider a basic application currently, not too complex, not too easy. Okay, let's consider a calculator. Okay, uh, the softwares maybe. And last but not least, that I want to make softwares like to make basic software for now, and will move to advanced software once I had practiced basic ones. Okay, so likewise you can tell, or you can give examples like I want to make calculator or your favorite one to make journey interactive, to make journey very like focused. You can choose your favorite softwares which you want to make. So I'm just going to enter now. Not Don't think too much, just start your conversation. Okay, so let's get started. So yeah, now you can read. So as you can see, ChatGPT has written a great message, very short and sweet message, which you can check out. Like here, he has given step-by-step plan in which you first need to understand your goal. That's true. You need to understand your goal, like what are the and in the understand while understanding the goal, you need to learn the software concept, as this is a best practices. Like whatever you are going to do, first learn it as to build something in a good manner, in an effective manner. So ChatGPT knows that to develop an effective product, we you should learn about that software concept, basic software concept. So he will teach you step by step. Okay, then he told you that practice some building simple apps like these apps: calculator, to-do list, notes, and other apps. These are some examples. You can choose one. Like most of the people use calculator, so check how calculator works and how you can make it. Now gradually, like after practicing some small projects, you can gradually move to advanced projects. Okay, and yeah, after that you can, by deciding these factors or considering these factors, that you have acquired basic software concepts. After that, you have confirmed that I want to make calculator app. Okay, and by making a calculator app, you are thinking to like I'm, I'm going to like create an what we can say, complex mathematical calculator which can do integration, which can do any other complex mathematical related calculations. Okay, so that you can do in this project, like advanced project. Or you can like uh, take a to-do list and make a convert that to-do list into the timer related something, like this is the to-do list and this is the timeline, and if timeline goes off, you start an alarm. Likewise you can think. Okay, this will help you to build your, what we can say, wiring your softwares. Okay, so after that you can definitely pick one programming language and understand the programming basics of programming very well with the ChatGPT. Okay, you don't need to go anywhere, but uh, in detail, to deep dive in the concept, you have to go with the book. ChatGPT can help, can solve your every type of problem, but there are there are other benefits of learning from book. Okay, if you learn from book, you take lot of things. Okay, ChatGPT will only give you the required thing, and you get the required thing, you understand it, but he will not go into deep until or unless you want him to go into deep. Okay, if you ask him what is Python, he will just explain about Python. If you ask him why Python is developed, he will ask you about that thing. But in book, all things are written. Why Python is making, why Python is came into picture, how Python helped for previous 25 years. You don't need to ask. All things are written and in a step-by-step manner. You will be able to grasp everything from the book. You don't need to put effort in asking questions. Okay, so from there you can deep dive the concept. Likewise, you have to do. Likewise, you have to work. So after that, picking up Python, picking one programming language, you can go with start uh, uh, actual project. Okay, but before I want to suggest you that you, while after picking the programming language and learning their basics, you have to run some small programs. Okay, like after making Python file named calculator.py, you have to know how to run that code. Okay, so that's the thing. Like JavaScript is there, how you can run JavaScript in your local system, in your machine, that you need to learn basic code. Okay, after that you can definitely start with the basic projects. You can use uh, you can consider one of these. Okay, for start, and step by step you can build all of them if you want. Now the main thing every coder does or every software engineer does is the tools they are going to meet with while developing. So these are the basic tools which ChatGPT has mentioned, from which first is code editor, which is VS Code. Next is GitHub for saving your work. Okay, let me tell you more about VS Code. You can find one of the videos, one of the tutorial in which I have explained you all the basic thing about VS Code. Uh, you can search VS Code by Code with DC YouTube channel. Okay, on Google, on YouTube only. You can Google also. Okay, so VS Code is a editor in which you can build an environment of developing a software. Like you can develop, you can uh, create a project calculator, and you can develop your all the things in that, and you find all the things at one place. Like if you want to uh, develop with your partner, you can provide VS Code. You can share your projects, live project link with your friend. Okay, likewise these softwares help us to develop things with our friends or team. Okay, yeah, that's the great thing about this VS Code product. And after that, GitHub is the must foremost. Like um, GitHub is a version control tool. It helps you to manage the versions of your software, every single version of your software, whatever you have developed, whatever you want to change or delete or all the things you can like do with the GitHub. GitHub is a platform where you can uh, add feature and push that, delete feature and push it. It holds all the records of your transaction, like developing things or doing any kind of read write on the project. We need some tracking tool, and that's where GitHub comes into picture. So GitHub, you need to make an account on GitHub platform, so which can help you to uh, develop project and maintain the versions of the project. So likewise, you also need to learn about GitHub, which ChatGPT already mentioned in this. After that, you need to understand what are the basic commands of terminals. Basic commands, not much more complex. Okay. So yeah, that's the thing you have to do. After that, normal browsers you can use Brave browser, or if you want more secure ad-free browser, Brave browsers comes into picture. Otherwise, you can continue with Chrome. Chrome is also best. Okay, not an issue. Many extensions works on Chrome browser only, not other browsers sometimes. And ChatGPT also mentioned he will help you in writing and explaining code, debugging errors, improving logic, yeah, and guiding your learning path. Okay, so these things only will help you to build up great software and help you to make your learning better. Okay, so now you can definitely tell him that tell him that hey ChatGPT, thanks for thanks for providing the steps, and now I'm ready. Let me check this stuff. Yeah, and now I am ready to learn about the basic software concepts. Okay, learn some small, but means learn spend some time in learning. It helps you in building software. If you want to skip this step, and like you know how software works, how software develops, you can definitely go skip that part, and you can ask ChatGPT to start from step 2 and tell that I have picked Python or I have picked JavaScript. Okay, likewise you can do. So here I am going to tell that now I am ready to learn about the basic software concept, or start with the step 1. So now ChatGPT will go with the step 1. Okay, so here you can see ChatGPT has mentioned all the required things, and one of the main thing that I want to tell about this reply from ChatGPT. If you find it very short, very very short information from ChatGPT, if you want to ask ChatGPT that please provide in detail explanation, in detail reply, so he will definitely generate that. As I'm as as from as to increase the user experience, ChatGPT prefer to answer in short. Okay, that's where these messages are sent. You can like click here to uh, like uh, like here you can one second. Here you can ask regenerate the response in indeterminate. Likewise you can do. So here you can see awesome, let's begin your journey from step 1, basic software concept. And he also tell that I will keep it beginner friendly and explain everything clearly. Feel free to ask why or explain anytime. Okay, so he already mentioned that if you feel why this is happening, just tell ChatGPT and explain this particular thing, on that particular portion. Likewise, you can chat with the ChatGPT. You have to spend time. Okay, but yeah, literally it helps to boost our productivity with if anyone using ChatGPT and for whatever use they are using ChatGPT. Okay, if you ask ChatGPT if you are going to purchase some laptop or any kind of product, that I want this laptop, I'm looking for like a video editing laptop in which the laptop which can do video editing very easily, gaming very easily, or developing softwares very easily, developing mobile app very easily. Okay, so he will definitely understand your requirement and provide you the best laptop in front of you. So for purchasing products also ChatGPT can help. Okay, you need to just ask the ChatGPT and your things will be done. Okay, there are other tools which we'll be going to discuss later on, but ChatGPT is the good one in the market. So he start with what is software. Okay, you can read this, understand it, and if you have any doubt, like I have I have read what is software. I, I read these lines. That software is a set of instruction called code that tells the computer what to do. Okay, software is a set of instructions called code that tells the computer what to do. ChatGPT is saying that software contains set of instructions which helps computer to what to do. Okay, and there are mainly two types of software: system software, like whatever you are using, operating systems, Windows, Linux. These are system software which comes between application and hardware. Okay, which provide access of hardware to applications. Okay, likewise he have categorized into two things: application software and system software. And here application softwares may in application softwares, apps like calculators, games, browser, we will focus like this is an Chrome browser, this is an application. Likewise he has mentioned. So these are just high level stuffs, but if you want to go into deep depth, how what is software, system software, and how it is made, you need to ask that. Okay, you can learn for that particular thing, but to make calculator app you don't need to understand about the system software. Okay, you only need to understand about application software, how application softwares are made. What is a program? A program is a single software tool that performs a specific task. Okay, like there are certain files in a calculator that you want to add two numbers, so there will be another function, so another program written for add particular thing, for doing add operations. Okay, so that is a single program. A software is a set of programs. A program is a single software tool that performs a specific task. For example, a calculator app performs mathematical calculation. A Node app stores and displays text. How does software work? You write code, code is processed by computer. Likewise, these are the things that were mentioned. You can understand these and ask ChatGPT to explore, explain you that some of your doubt. Okay. Likewise, you have to do. And before choosing like programming language, if you have a question in mind that which programming language is best for you, which programming language in long term can result you in a good amount of money, can provide you a good job with good package. Okay, you can also definitely ask that which is future proof programming language. Like currently, Python and JavaScripts are the future proof. Others are kind of mid level, but at high level, Python and JavaScripts are coming into picture as web technology and learning technologies are getting enhanced, and in both the fields, JavaScript or Python is used in some manner. So that's why ChatGPT has already picked uh, what we can say, uh, picked good language for you. So likewise, you can learn from ChatGPT, and we will continue the conversation in next part. So don't forget to subscribe on this particular playlist or on this YouTube channel to have such kind of notifications first. So keep subscribe and like to my channel, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.